What's up, you guys? It's been raining like heck since last night, and it's supposed to rain through tomorrow. Um, let's just say everything is really wet. Anyways, I just got off of work, and I can't wait to get home, cook a home cooked meal, and cozy down for the night. Alright, I just need to get some calamansi. One calamansi, two calamansi, three calamansi. Oh, my head's getting wet. Four calamansi, five, six calamansi. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna need more than that. Okay, that's enough. Dinner tonight is going to be a family favorite. And just like most Filipino dishes, it starts with two basic ingredients, garlic and onion. Growing up, my mom was the best at stir fry. After work, she would bring home simple ingredients, chop them up, and create amazing dishes. Each ingredient she added, like this jalapeno, would level up the dish as the cooking went on. My mom usually didn't come home till almost 5 p.m. every day. So she really didn't have a lot of time before it was time to eat. We usually use ground beef in this dish, but to make it healthy, today we are using ground turkey. As I'm cooking this, I realized more and more why my mom was so good at this. She knew I was hungry by the time she got home. So her labor of love was to cook me very desirable dishes in such a short amount of time. So now we add pepper and salt to taste, and we add a little bit of fish sauce for that umami. The last two parts of this dish is to add green beans. I prefer fresh over canned. And then we're gonna add the calamansi juice. The acidity from this citrus really brings this dish to life. Instead of having just a savory dish, another element is added and the flavors are transformed. After a good mix, we let that simmer for a while until the green beans are soft. Serve it over a soft bed of rice and enjoy. I do miss my mom's cooking sometimes, but now that I have a family, I am happy to pass it on. I can only hope that my cooking is just as good for my son Ray Leo. And I think he approves. Hey, thanks for watching and make sure you like and follow for more videos.